Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to shrink the file size of any PDF on your Mac without sacrificing quality using a free online tool. No downloads or installs required. Let's get started. First, open Safari or your favorite browser and navigate to ilovepdf.com/compresspdf. I'll leave the link in the description. Once the page loads, click Select PDF File and pick the document you'd like to compress. You'll see a blue progress bar as your file uploads. Feel free to grab a quick sip of coffee while you wait. When the upload finishes, iLovePDF will show 3 compression levels. Extreme compression for the smallest file size, but with noticeable quality loss. Recommended compression for a solid balance of size reduction and image, text clarity. Less compression for the gentlest size reduction while preserving maximum quality. To keep your images crisp and text sharp, select recommended compression or less compression, then click Compress PDF. In just a few seconds, iLovePDF will work its magic and display your new file size alongside the original. Click Download Compressed PDF, and the optimized file will save to your Downloads folder. Open it in Preview to confirm that everything looks just right, and that's it. Fast, free, and entirely online. If this tutorial helped you out, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more easy Mac tips, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.